Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwa Ashiburobi, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. I am here again to bring to you what is happening. But before I go on this very program, I have a lot of numbers of things to say. Number one, this very thing I am seeing some people saying, oh, Mazi Simon Ekpa have surrendered to talk about Biafra. Please and please, he never surrendered to talk about Biafra. All these ones typing rubbish. Oh, he have surrendered to talk about Biafra. Mazi Simon Ekpa never surrendered. But as usual, I knew you people by your typing. I knew you people by your typing. So I am going to title this Mazi Simon Ekpa surrenders for Biafra at last. That is the title that I'm going to give to this very program. So as to lure you people to come and listen to the gospel of truth. What Mazi Simon Ekpa said in court is that I am not with USB government and I am not working with USB government. But why they have turned it that I have surrendered for Biafra is to keep a propaganda that they will use against him tomorrow. Oga, you don't surrender for Biafra. Go and relax now. Oga, we had you. We know everything. You have surrendered for Biafra. Why are you deceiving the people? That is the propaganda of tomorrow. All of us are here. When tomorrow comes, you are going to attest to it. One was saying, oh, they got it before me. Oga, you don't have any information. You don't have any information. Any information you get from the blind USB is none and avoid. Were they not the people looking for my Finland connection? Were they not the people? So who is giving them the information? I have a very wider coverage of information. One was saying, oh, if they are not giving you information again, it means that they never trust you. It means that they are tired of your lies. The barrage of informations that I have on this very platform, you are not in charge of it, okay? But the ones in my mind that I don't want to say, you are not in charge of it. People, Biafra people, well-to-do Biafra people, gives me information. And that is the reason why anything I say on this very platform is the truth. If you like, you can go on and start to gossip and lie against yourself. It doesn't change anything. So let me correct one impression. Mazi Simon Ekpa have never and will never surrender for Biafra. Mazi Simon Ekpa distances himself from USB, even in court. It's not even secret. In court, he did it. When they said, oh, are you not working with, he said, I don't know USB. Ngọzi Orabueze is not representing me. I am not in connection with her. I don't have anything to do with her. All those blabbing that she's blabbing is blabbing. Ask the people in the court. Ask the people in the court that day. Though I am not supposed to say this now because of some other things, but why I am saying it is because of the people writing jargons and rubbish. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwa Ashiburobi, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Away from that, I heard Atalugo was making an exposition connecting Mazi Simon Ekpa to what is happening in Biafra land and that his boys are kidnapping and buying. Atalugo, the other time you cried that they refused to pay your house rent. So all the blabbing that you were blabbing on social media was for house rent. That you help DOS and they abandoned you. That was your cry. You help DOS, which is, when you said you help DOS, it's no longer for freedom, it is personal aggrandizement. You help DOS, which means you believe that they collected money for the propaganda that you are running and they left you without paying for your house rent. Atalugo. You came out after then, make exposition how they lure you to attack Mazi Simon Ekpa, and after then they abandoned you and refused to pay up what you demand from them or the agreement that you have with them. So to you, Biafra is all about money. Biafra is all about how much will enter my pocket. To you, that is what Biafra is to you. Atalugo. To you, Biafra is not an avoid. Let Biafra go to hell. How much that will enter inside your pocket is what you care about to you. And any other person talking about Biafra doesn't know what he or she is saying. That is what it means. Oh, the propaganda machines. Oh, propaganda kundi mwe. Le Mazi Simon Ekpa. Nwatakiri, ọ na-eme ihe anya hụrụ. Unne propaganda kunma. Akwụọna go ụgwọ Atalugo. Have they paid you? Have they reintegrated your payments? Let me correct some assertion because I am seeing it from left, right, and center. Someone equally updated me that Progress, the analyst, said that Mazi Simon Ekpa is a kidnapper. I am not surprised. She is too desperate to make it. At least 50-something YouTube subscribers, barely struggling for 10,000 viewers. Barely struggling for 2,000 viewers, which means she failed. Biafra Unite lost his platform. If you go to YouTube now, Biafra Unite is barely 28,000 something. But once he posts a video, thousands will view it. If you come to this my platform, I am barely up to 8,000 after losing my platform. But once I post a video, people will view it. The reason why people no longer turn up to view your content that you create with the blood of innocent Biafra people. If what, let me reserve it, please. If I have to confirm, nah, they go carried away. I have to confirm if you really said it or not before I will spill the rest. I will spill the rest. I want to correct an impression because even in USB and other people, it is the same propaganda. Look, let me correct something. This very propaganda that you have seen from the DOS killing machines, from USB lying machines, and the rest of them. The USB is attacking the men on the ground, calling them kidnappers and buyers. The other ones are linking Mazi Simon Ekpa. They are all working in unison. Do you know what they plan to achieve? Mazi Simon Ekpa will appear in court September. So they want to truncate that very court sitting. They want to truncate everything that is going to go on. They want to link PM Mazi Simon Ekpa to crimes he knows nothing about. Men on the ground, the BLA, doesn't work for Mazi Simon Ekpa. They received their command from Igwe Butozo, not from Mazi Simon Ekpa. Mazi Simon Ekpa is just the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government in exile. His only work is lobbying. I want to say it again. The BLA does not work for Mazi Simon Ekpa Njoku. They receive their work or the everything from Igwe Butozo. As you people have seen, they have clarified it. Even NJ Makeup have come out to say this. that they don't work for Mazi Simon Ekpa. That they received their order from Igwe Butozo, the triple star general. What else can you people learn? What else? Do you wish to continue with this very propaganda of BLA are criminals so as to link it to Mazi Simon Ekpa and to truncate everything? And let me correct one thing. BLA is the People's Army. No matter how, recently I saw a video, and I will call on the BLA to investigate that particular video, please. I saw a video that was making headway. That video was alleging that some people use gun. I don't know who the gun belongs to, but I knew that they were saying some people. I watched that particular video from Ngọzi Orabueze followers and also from Sharia reporters, that they used the gun to go and thief. Please and please, I am not supporting criminality. I am not supporting stealing. I am not supporting armed robbery. But such public execution is none other than barbaric. The laws of the judgment of those who are engaged in armed robbery should be kept outside from social media and from those of us who were not there when the robbery was initiated. Please and please, I am begging the command of BLA to investigate those who are involved, please. Investigate those who are involved. The triple star general, Igwe Butozo. Investigate those who are involved, please. Because people are now quoting it out of context. I don't know who, but why I am calling BLA is because they are the only army and police in Biafra land. If those things were done by cultists, if they were done by some groups, I don't know who, I don't know. So I wouldn't say what I don't know. But the reason why I am calling the BLA to investigate is because those are the only army of the Biafra people. I wouldn't call police to investigate because Nigerian police is not for me. I wouldn't call Nigerian army to investigate because they are not for me. At the age of 15, when Nigerian army took me by gunpoint, they asked me your money or your life. I will never, since I am alive, I vowed since that day, I will never have anything to do with Nigeria. And I don't have anything to do with them before, and I will not have anything to do with them. At the age of 15, Nigerian army on gunpoint asked me your money or your life. It is a very backward army. It is a criminal army. It is one of them. They flog one of the Nigerian police in Port Harcourt for ịgba mkpụrụ mmiri. Ha gbacha mkpụrụ mmiri a, they come out and use egbe were na-agbagbu isi ndị mmadụ. A Nigerian police was flogged in Port Harcourt. Ọ gara gbaa mkpụrụ mmiri. He was flogged. I am Onyebuchi Ashigburobi, please. Nwa Ashigburobi ka m bụ. Preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke a na-akọ mmiri. Eziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe. That is the only thing that I have brought upon you, my lovely viewers. Hit the like button and share this very program as well. Hit the like button and share this very particular program. So, with that being said, let me go back to Atalugo. Atalugo, you link the BLA to Mazi Simon Ekpa. Have they paid you? Because you came out to make us to know that all the things that you are doing, though I know before, because I have done the expose. I told people that you are on a payroll. At least I got the information of how they started paying you right from $50. $100 and $200. I got all the whole information, which I publish on my platform. So at a time they stopped paying you. That was when you became mad at them for stopping to pay you. Money was not coming. You started frowning. Na na-eri ego gị. A na-eri ego gị. Am I communicating? So have they paid you in this very propaganda that you are running? At least in the USB are trying their own. They are trying very hard to link, oh, the BLAs are criminals. Oh, when, according to their madam, when she used to say, when PM was there, this and that, PM does not control the BLA. Nobody should listen to her. Akpakara Tingwom leader. Mmọnwụ. Ihe ọ na-agbazi ihu ya na penti na nke ikpeazụ a. Nwaanyị a ya emekwe ka penti moto gala ọnụ. O ya eme ka penti moto gala ọnụ. The alakriti o ji agba penti n'ihu ya nnọọ. Chineke na ka m gwere gbaa ajịjarị. Iwọchibi ihu nwaanyị o, loshi agba penti n'ihu ya. Nna a na-atụrụ gị ego na ihe ihe eje bụ ihe eje bepụ ihu gị cheji ihu ọzọ. Anụrụ m ndị a na-ajụ ebe m nọ. So where am I? Ka agba m akwụkwọ. Where am I? Nna, ana m ezo ezo. I am everywhere. I am not hiding place. Gbaanụ m akwụkwọ. Leenụ freedom fighters. Nwaanyị sị na ọ na-achọrọ unu freedom na I post on her ihe a na ya agba a Biafra na akwụkwọ na France. Onye ọbụla believe in this very woman bara one chance. So if this woman believe that she will get Biafra for all of you, why is she suing somebody in France for character assassination according to her? Get Biafra for the people now. Ikwere ndị mmadụ nkwa na ihe decentralize anami ka egbe. Ịmakwa na video nọ on social media. Ịmakwa na video nọ. Evidence a you use against you nọ on social media. Ọnụ gị ma agba akwụkwọ. Ekwuru na decentralize army. So you will bring the army. You are a terrorist. Which army do you decentralize? Ndị nke na-eje eje egbu ndị mmadụ. Ebube agụ ka ị decentralize. You are a complete terrorist. Akpọ gị terrorist ọ na-ewe gị iwe. Ngọzi Orabueze is a terrorist. ASAP. ASAP. She is a terrorist. You would have proved some people wrong by getting Biafra for them. So is this how to fight for freedom? How many people do Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sue? How many people? How many people did Mazi Simon Ekpa sue? Ana emegide Mazi Simon Ekpa mee ya tii ha na nwanyị. Ọ na-agwa ekwe onye ọbụla nkwa when we get to Biafra land. When we get to Biafra land. So ọ bụrụ na this nwanyị o posturu this morning gaga delete ya ọ dị ka enyere ya advice. If you believe that you are going to get Biafra from that Akpakara Tingwom, why taking a Biafran to a court in France when you are lying to some people that you will get Biafra? You are giving them hope that Biafra will come. Uno hurole eri unu. Akpakara Tingwom na-ede, it's alright. Ride on the DPM. Ride on the PPM. Chineke kpọkwa unu ọkụ. I am Onyebuchi Ashigburobi, please. Preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. The only thing that I have brought on this very platform is undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke a na-akọ mmiri. Eziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe. I am Onyebuchi Ashigburobi. And I know that the truth which I have brought upon this very platform will save me. I know that the truth which I have brought upon this very platform will save this very struggle. I am unshakable. I watch it. One Akara Ugori writing rubbish on my YouTube that I have lied before. I have used fake information to the people. Whereas also when one of the people who them fake information and ended up in my platform, no like I used to went here na asigun no bu here na don't worry na you the sure. Whereas people said it is not true. Also when one of them them fake information. Mgbe ọ na-enye m information, o sokwe na one of the people nyere m fake information. And I came out to correct the information by simply apologizing and saying this is, I don't know if it is true or not, but since people are writing it is fake, I have to retrieve it, please. And he ended up in my platform telling me, no, na ka yo si wee fu ya, mana ọ bụrụ na ọ ihe na ya copy ya from somewhere wee wetere m ya, na ya dị sure ihe ọ gwara m, mana ọ bụrụ na ha si na ihe no problem. Did I buy you? Did I insult you? I move on. But you have retired to my YouTube to write jargons. You gave informations. I told you when I will respond to you will come. I have evidences of the things you send to me. Do you feel that you are talking to an illiterate? Even if I tell you that I don't go to school, I have evidences of everything. You writing rubbish. I have evidences, both your audio and the communications we have. I just revisited them today, just to make sure that they are intact. Keep on writing rubbish. Chineke ya kpọgọ very soon. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburubi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke a na-akụ mmiri. Let me go on and ride on, please. I have seen this united unity in sabotaging our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa. Ma ndị na-ede nke ha na-ede, ma ndị na-ekwu nke ha na-ekwu, I have seen the collaboration and the unity. But a na-eme agbacha ọsọ agụọ mai. This September, onye ọbụla na-write na-type rubbish, but USB is a coward and cowardic government. Ha bụ ndị ogwomagala. Since they started existing, what have they achieved for the Biafra people? What have they achieved? Or asị, ọ bụrụ na ha nọ na-asị nke a taa, ha nọ na-asị nke ọzọ echi. Even the Ezi that was defending USB, na me preach to Ramo when I was supporting USB. He was telling me he never trusted this very woman. Na me preach. That is the most of the times I don't even blame him for what he is writing, because I was part of the people that caused it. I was part of the people that caused it, because he never believed in the woman. Ama m ihe m kwugide before he was ihe a. Ọ chọzie ịgwa m ihe nka wee mara. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburubi. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburubi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke a na-akọ mmiri. Eziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe. That is the only thing that I have brought. Atalugo, I will advise you to go inside. Ọ dịkwa ka nwoke ma lụrụ gị. Anụ m na mma agba disa ashịrị maka otu na-eji wee nye m disa ashịrị. Anụ m na nwoke ma lụrụ gị na unu bidoro nwebe okwu na-aba ha aba. According to the man, all the disappointed ka m hapụ ihe a, ka m hapụ ịgaga chewe some people, ka m hapụ ịgaga tọva some people aka. Gị na this guy na-ekwu, or gị na this guy a na-ekwu, man, I'm still watching you. My eyes is everywhere. My name is Onyebuchi Nwashigburubi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke a na-akọ mmiri. Eziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe. That is the only thing that I have brought upon this very platform. and you must hit the like button and share. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburobi. Now let me move into this very program. Finland is coming, and next month is sacrosanct. Next month is sacrosanct, a pivotal to this very struggle, which will shape the struggle. I have seen them saying Mazi Simon Ekpa surrendered for Biafra. He never surrendered for Biafra. He surrendered, so he said he is not part of USB. Go to anybody in court. He said it there. For those telling you, oh, there is agreement that they reach, Mazi Simon Ekpa, there is no agreement for now. I don't know about tomorrow. Onwe agreement or a present to go. For now, I don't know about tomorrow. If there is agreement tomorrow, we will see to that. But there is no agreement. No agreement or whatsoever. Anybody telling you anything about agreement is lying to you. There is nothing called agreement. Nothing. Onwebe agreement erichiri. In Finland, some Mazi Simon Ekpa menka or menka also, because I have seen a lot of people, even Dineji, or voice and daughter, where ask our people, telling them, oh, agreement in cause, no agreement, take it from me. No agreement. September is when everything will be on public domain. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburobi. Preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Now, on the other side, I want to show you a video of what is happening in the Biafra land. How they are setting places ablaze. How they are burning everywhere. How the zoo. For you to hear what is happening in Biafra land, all this telling you that they want freedom. Now they are Edin Musa calling the men of the Holy Mountain criminals. They are Edin Musa. For you to hear what is happening, I want to play it for you. Please pay very close attention, please. Are you hearing it? Oh, men on the ground are criminals. So these are the atrocities of Nigerian army. If you can listen to the person making the video, for you to know that this person is not part and parcel of what is happening. Oman ebidogo. Asina ihe. Na asina ha na abịa alụso ESN. So the person amadị nke a na-akpọ nke a na-akpọ ọ BLA ka a na-asị na a na-alụso ọ bụghị ESN. If you listen to the guy very well, making the video, you will know that the guy is a Jew man. But he is angry. This house, there must be money. In this house, there must be gold. In this house, there must be properties and belongings. They enter into that place, ransack the place, burn it. The reason why they make sure that they burn it is after stealing and looting. If people returns, people will say that the Nigerian army came and steal and loot. So it's not good to their own image. So after looting the houses, they will burn it down. Do you know the reason they choose best and fine houses? The places that they can make the type of money that they want. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburobi. International community, Britain, America, France, Germany, all of you who says that, oh, you are standing for humanity, you are supporting the atrocities going on in Nigeria because it pays you today. It pays you. And that is the reason why you can support anything. You can support anything. just because of money. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburobi. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke a na-akọ mmiri. The only thing that I preach on this very platform, the only thing is the truth and nothing but the undiluted truth. Nke a na-akọ mmiri, that is the only thing that I have brought. My own work is to save our own people. Achọrọ m ka ndị be anyị na-anwụzi. And thereby I am calling on BLA to investigate the viral video which is making headway, please. Investigate the viral video which is making headway. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburobi, please. Preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke a na-akọ mmiri. You can hear the guy saying that they have set our houses ablaze. Lekweniya, that is what they do all the time. But as usual, instead of ndị be anyị to blame ike nyụrụ ahịrị, ha ga-kebe isi ọkpọ. What's the connection? Ike nyụrụ ahịrị anyị apịa ụtalị, aga-kebe isi ọkpọ. This very trend, evil trend, have continued and continue to ravage our land. But we are here to tell the truth. We are here to present the truth to the international community. They must hear and listen to what we have seen in Biafra land and the atrocities that they are committing against the children of light, the children of Chukwuokike, the creator of heaven and earth. The international community must look inwards and see the atrocities and know the best way that they can come in to assist. That is if they want. Because what is happening in Aladdin Mavurundinze, they are benefiting from the atrocities being done and meted against the Biafra people. And that is the reason why they will continue to keep quiet for all they care. Because it is the people of Biafra that are suffering it. It's not them. They are not suffering anything. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburobi, please, preaching nothing but the undiluted and undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke a na-akọ mmiri. You must hit the like button and share this very program amicably. You must hit the like button and share this very program amicably, please. If you believe in truthfulness and in all honesty, hit the like button and share this very program amicably. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburobi. You see what is happening. Now, I want to tell you, because our own people are now making donations. There is something that I see online. I see it online. I probably on Twitter, where a young man created a technology. A technology. He called the popular technology, the popular name, Ogbunigwe. 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 He created 10 pieces of them. And he said, these 10 pieces is very, very powerful. One of it is capable of anointing every evil spirit. Is capable of anointing 4 tires of evil spirits. Our own people are standing up to contribute. Nigeria have plunged into second civil war, courtesy of the mismanagement. Instead of granting referendum or allowing the Biafra people, they continue to waste and borrow money everywhere just to suppress and subjugate us. But go nowhere, fear nothing. You cannot subjugate the will of the people. He who is already on the ground fears no fall. We are already on the ground. We fear not. We cannot fall again, because we are already on the ground. And the freedom of our own people will come just because Elohim Chukwu Kabiam is God and not man. Only him alone will grant us the freedom that we desire. I want you to watch this very video. But before we go into the video, please be rest assured that the reason for every nonsense online, men on the ground are criminals. So some people are even still calling them criminals while writing on my YouTube, and some people writing to my WhatsApp, stop being stupid. Tell the men to work with USB. When they work with USB, the government will take care of them. Okay, you want to take care of the people that you said is criminals. You want to take care of the people that you have said that they are biased of their own people. According to the nonsense that you people are writing, that make kidnapping. So you know all of these things and you kept quiet. Only when they make public that they are not working with you, only then that you have come up that they are kidnappers and criminal, because they said they are not working with you. So you wanted to work with kidnappers before. You wanted to work with criminals before. I want the international community to know that USB have made it very categorically clear that they are sympathizers and workers of kidnappers and terrorists. Just go and write it down. You see this money that you people are receiving from Nigerian government. When the time comes, the international community will chase you people away anywhere that you are. Do you think that it is only you people that knows how to go to court? Do you think so? Writing jargons everywhere. This very freedom will come. It doesn't matter what you do. Elohim Chukwu Kabiam is God and not man. Even those saying, oh, I saw somebody tagging the kpaid to Gentle. Oh, he kpaid those people because he thought that he is God. But I thought you people are saying that Gentle is a kidnapper. And you had him asking them, where do you go? I don't know whom they are, but what the voice that I had is what I am judging. But the things that I'm seeing on Twitter right now is what is making me to say it. Because as I'm recording this, I'm watching Twitter also. Somebody is saying here that Mazi Simon Ekpa, that Gentle kpaid them. Gentle kpaid them. And the word there is, you go and use guns for armed robbery. Ebe kun bu egbe hapụ ebe un tosiri ịnọ gaba ebe aha ka ihe un gara ebe eme. So it means that people are using their guns to go and do robbery. And the person speaking said he cannot bear it. But I am asking Igwe Butozo, the command of the BLA, to investigate that very video. I don't know whom they are. They must investigate it. And this particular video, I don't like it. I don't like it, to be sincere. Even if they use those things to go robbery, it's not supposed. We are not there, so we are not supposed to see it. Please, let me show you people what Biafra people are producing. Let us go there, please. So you heard what the guy said. The only thing, I don't know whom they are. As usual, I saw this very thing on the internet. I think someone tweeted it on Twitter. I don't know whom they are. And I don't know which of Onyishi that they are greeting. But the only thing that I have to say in this very video is, call for referendum. It is not a plan for war. It is never a war. Call for referendum. Because everywhere in Biafra land is getting ready. What is happening in Benue State? They don't want it to happen in Biafra land. That is the reason why some of our own people are getting ready. Because they don't want to be taken unaware. The only thing that can stop all of this menace is to call for referendum. That's just it. It's not a call for war. It is not a crime for call for anything. Referendum. And let the people decide which way they want to vote. I still remain your one and only Onyebuchi Nwashigburuobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke a na-akọ mmiri. That is the only thing that I have brought upon this very platform. If you hate the truth, you might not know what truth is all about. That is, if you hate truth. If you hate truth, you might not know what truth is all about. And the only thing that I need to let you know, is that truth is very, very explosive. Truth stands the test of time. And it is only truth that will set us free from such subjugation, from suppression, and from imminent perils of our life. Most of you are supporting those who are supporting one Nigeria. You cannot get anywhere with them. The reason why I speak the way I do not hate you. I love most of you. The reason why I speak the way I do is that ịnọdụ n'ime freedom anaghị ele anya n'ihu. Freedom knows nobody. And in this very freedom, we must pursue freedom irregardless of whatever. We must pursue this very freedom irregardless, because Elohim Chukwukabiam is God and not man. And only him and him alone will give us this desired freedom. From me for here, from the temple of the grace here. Bye for now, please.